Hi, my name is Kevin Harwood, and welcome to another edition of Ask a Developer. Today, our first question comes from Luke, who wants to know what's the best programming language to learn if you want to get in and create an iOS app. The best thing to do is first focus on learning how to program, rather than learning a specific language. Focus on learning the basics of object-oriented programming and how data structures work, then worry about branching out to a lot of different languages. As far as iOS goes, natively that's done with Objective-C. That language is pretty obscure today in terms of other modern languages and is really only seen inside of the Apple ecosystem. The biggest learning curve developers have is with the syntax, so focus on really understanding the message passing pattern, and that'll help you get up to speed very quickly. It's also good to have some C experience, as there are some C APIs still in the iOS SDK that are worth using, but don't yet have Objective-C wrappers. And finally, take a look at Ruby. There's a lot of open source development tools that are being developed in that language specifically for Xcode and Objective-C, so that's worth having in your tool belt as well. Our next question comes from Lewis, who wants to know if he should target iOS or Android first for his application. That's a difficult question that is answered generically. It's really on you to do proper user research to understand both the demographics and the regions around the world that you want to target. For example, here in the United States, you may find that iOS and Android are split roughly equal, 50-50, 60-40, whereas if you're targeting a market such as Brazil, you may actually find that Android is a significant advantage in terms of market share. In all cases, I can't stress how important it is enough for you to do the proper user research to understand the users that you're building your app for and make educated decisions off of that data. That's it for this week's Ask a Developer. Keep sending us your questions at #AskADev or leave them in the comments section.